My name is Mitchell Browning. This is Amanda Browning. I am from Strange Creek, West Virginia. She is from Summersville, West Virginia.
What got you into the trucking industry as a whole?
A chance to see the country, a great job, good money, and a chance to travel. We become tourists in trucks.
Where did you find some of the challenges being in this industry and also being married?
I don't see that many challenges. I mean, we've always been together in a truck. We got our CDLs together, went to truck driving school together. So.
And save for 1 week, we have always been in the truck together.
Yep.
What's the one thing that you would tell another couple getting in this industry? What will make it successful being a team?
You have to have a very good relationship to actually live in a truck for 4 to 6 weeks at a time together.
Make sure that you can get along well first. Don't use this as a way to become closer. You have to be close before you start doing this.
Yes.
We are here for duty, honor, and respect. Look at the size of this cemetery and the number of people here and the stories that they all have to tell. We're standing right now in the oldest section of the cemetery. If you actually look, you can see that these were not individual graves. This was a trench that was dug, and each person, each soldier, brothers, are laying side by side. And it's so touching. It's brothers forever. This is our first time here at Andersonville Cemetery. I've been a Civil War buff pretty much my whole life, and I've always known what Andersonville POW camp was and what these men endured.